Kamusta po mga karayuma? Ako na naman po ito, Nyolo the Third. Kaya magbibigay po tayo reaksyon sa pagka-impaktita po ni Pia Cayetano. Ito pong babaeng to ay may pagka-impakta po talaga. At iba talaga ang klase ng ugali nitong babaeng to. Bastos! Ha? Kamusta kay Pia? Kamusta ang pagkabastos mo?
Aray ko.
UP College of Law. I was prepared to address this to all our members of the bar in the Senate, but since it is Senator Kiko, my schoolmate, my teammate actually in the UP volleyball varsity team who stood up, I'll also specifically address it to Senator Kiko. So dear Senator Kiko and our colleagues in the majority, knowing that you have members in the majority that are lawyers, and for those who are not lawyers, you definitely have consultants who are lawyers. Wala naman siguro ni isang senador dito na walang consultant na abogado. Kahit ako abogado, ang dami ko hong staff na abogado din. Why? Because these are legal issues. We need to talk to the experts. Kung pag-uusapan natin ng mental health, physical health, ng
Daming hanas. Daming arte ni Pia. Kala mo talaga totoo.
Aray ko.
Common sense. Pia. Common sense, Pia. Common sense.
Aray ko.
ng Vice President, then of course we will not listen to lawyers. We will listen to doctors, di ba? So this is a legal issue. Let's hear what the lawyers have to say. But let me just quote, because I know the Senate President doesn't have time to call on all the lawyers. So if you ask your lawyers in your staff, I'm sure nag-abala sila to look at the constitutional records, to look at the journal. I'm sure. And if they did not, please take your cell phone now and text your staff. What does the constitutional journal, the records of the debate show? Sinabi na po ni Senator Alan Cayetano, you can question him, you can doubt him. Ask your staff. May I ask you, dear colleagues, let's do
Nako, pampadelay. Pampadelay lang po ang gusto nila. Masyadong technical. Ayaw idiretso kagad sa impeachment. Masyadong delay. Pan-technical ang magkapatid na ulupong.
Aray ko.
our job well. The same way when you stand up and you tell me to do my job well and you disagree, I disagree with your point of view, I will listen intently to your point of view.
Arte.
And I'm looking at each one of you because this is our solemn duty. What does the Constitution say? Nakalagay doon, the Chief Justice, pag the President. Silent nga po sa iba. So sabi ng iba, at yan ang sinasabi ng Senate President natin na mukhang pwedeng iba. So we looked at what the constitutional framers said. What did they say? Nagdebate na po sila, colleagues. Nagdidebate tayo dito. Pag sinabi ng sponsor, ito na yung paliwanag, yung nag-i-interpolate at nagbibigay ng amendment, sinasabi niya, okay, yung pala paliwanag mo, okay na ako. No need to amend. Yun at yun din ang sinabi. Let's place ourselves
Ang arte may pa. Yabe.
Aray ko.
Napaka-arte ng pendeyang to.
Aray ko.
Pia, huwag yun mo daanin sa technical. Presiding officer lang pinag-uusapan. Huwag kayong umarte magkapatid. Presiding officer lang pinag-uusapan. Pwede naman yan. Basta lang matuloy na yan.
Aray ko.
Huwag ka lang umarte dahil sisingit mo pa yung baliw mong kuya.
Aray ko.
in that position. Because
Ay, kuya mo ba yan? Ewan ko. Basta wala akong pakialam sa inyo kung kuya o ate.
that happens to us every day.
Every day.
Every day. Somebody
Every day. Pest.
stands up and says, ano ibig sabihin nito? And the sponsor will explain. Pag hindi maliwanag, sasabihin nung nag-i-interpolate or nag-a-amend, ay papa-amend ko kasi hindi maliwanag or I want to improve it. Pero kung nagkaintindihan naman, okay na. Eh yun nga yung binasa, tanungin nyo naman po yung staff nyo. Or let's pause, let's all get a copy. Let's show it. Because this is the foundation of this trial na tama yung nakaupong presiding officer.
Nako, style nyo, bulok.
So that's my first point. Mag-abala naman tayo. Read it yourself, ask your staff to print a copy. In fact, on that note, may I ask Senator Alan's staff to print a copy and give it to all our colleagues. Mabilis.
Akala kang wete, parang sinabi mo naman tatanga-tanga yung mga senador. Napaka ano ni Pia, kala mo sila pinakamagaling magkapatid, magkumpugin ko kayo eh.
Aray ko.
Tang yan, hindi na yan mapapatagalan. Show it. We can take judicial notice naman po siguro of it. Siguro naman, alam na natin ang ibig sabihin ng judicial notice. You can go to the actual records. Nandito na makakuha naman natin yon kung pagdududahan nyo yung ipapaprint ko. So that's my first point. My second point, Mr. President, is addressed to His Honor. If His Honor will insist that we have to call a regular session, we have to be in session to amend the impeachment rules, eh di tawagan niyo po ang Malacanang.
Nako.
Nagpa-special session naman po siya, di ba, with all due respect, to pass the National Orchid Law. To pass, what else? Anong tatlo yun eh? Oo nga, yun nga, yung waling-waling as National Orchid. Ano pa yung dalawa?
Kita mo, tatanga-tanga kayo. Waling-waling, si Loren Legarda nagsabi niyan eh. Kay Loren Legarda yung waling-waling eh.
Aray ko.
Oh. Pati ba naman yan, naungkot pa waling-waling? Sus mio.
Aray ko.
No, I know, I'm not questioning it. I'm saying that there was a special session called to pass 3 laws. Naalala ko yung waling-waling because I love it. This is important.
Napaka-plastic. I love it. Plastic.
Aray ko.
Pa yung dalawa. Unfortunately, hindi ko na maalala. Dalawang naturalization. Sports-minded po tayo. Love po natin yun. Nagkaroon ba ng laban between now and July para mag-special session tayo para doon? Hindi ko alam. But in any case, ito importante to, di ba? Eh di kung pa-i-insist nyo na yung impeachment amendment na yan kailangan gawin ng special session, eh mapapatawag tayo ng special session. Mukha namang
Sinabi nga, Pia, plenary. Ang boba mo naman. Plenary.
Aray ko.
Regular session. Ano special session? Ang dami mong anas, Pia. Kamusta?
Aray ko.
very supportive naman ang Malacanang sa majority. Di ho ba? Pero I take the position that we are in impeachment court. We are already in impeachment court. Therefore, the amendments must happen here. Medyo common sense din naman po yan. I rest my case. Yun lang po. But as soon as the copies come, I will give it to you. Colleagues, look at it. Huwag tayong majority-minority botohan. Ayusin natin yung pagboboto natin dahil pinapanood tayo, pinapaniwalaan tayo, at umaasa sa atin ang taong bayan. Maraming salamat po.
Nako. Impacta ka.
Once again, it is, again, before the chair rules, let me acknowledge a former Senate President, Senator Tito Soto.
Thank you, Mr. President. Tama-tama yung sinabi ng distinguished lady from Taguig. Tanungin daw yung mga legal staff.
Oh, yan.
Binigay nga sa akin ng legal staff ko. Eksakto nga ito eh. Article 11, Section 6, page 154. Constitution is silent regarding presiding officer of Senate impeachment. However, the Constitution expressly provides that the Chief Justice will preside if President is on trial.
Tama.
O ngayon, yung mga graduate ng Ateneo at saka ng mga UP, ito ngayon yung legal maxim. Expressio unius et exclusio alterius. In other words, the express mention of one thing is the exclusion of another.
Tama.
Palagay ko, naintindihan nyo lahat ganyan.
Sa
Ito
pool.
yung akin, sa publiko yung sa akin.
Tama.
Ang sinasabi ng publiko ngayon, nanonood sa atin, dapat you should not resort in too much technicalities kasi ang public interest ang iniisip nila rito. They want to expedite the proceedings. They want the trial, not rules. They're interested in the trial, not rules. In the interest of justice, sabi nga nila, sometimes rules are not sacrosanct. But itong nangyayari ngayon dito, ang publiko ang importante rito.
Tama.
Where does the Constitution emanate from? from the public,
Tama.
from the people of the Republic.
Oh.
So, desisyonan nyo na to, Mr. President, para matapos na.
Sir President, can I have
Oh, yan po. Oh. Sa pool. Ayan po, binira ni Tito Soto si Pia Cayetano. Kamusta naman, Pia? Diba? Huwag na tayo maging technical. Ituloy ang impeachment. Kahit saan ka pa, UST, UP. Diba? Hindi sukatan yan. Ang sukatan dito, katotohanan.
Aray ko.
Tinitechnical nila eh. Diba? Tinitechnical nila eh. Ang sukatan dito, katotohanan.
Aray ko.
Oh. Ayan po ha, Pia Cayetano versus Tito Soto. Sa pool si Pia, kamusta? Iyak ka.
Aray ko.
Madilim daw ang paligid.